So we are going to unbox the HP laptop 15S fq5017nia model. This is the new laptop, 12th generation of Core i7. So there we're going to open. This is the new laptop in silver color. We have to open this like this. We have to off this wrapper. This is new shape and slim laptop with 2 USB and 1 Type-C port with HDMI, and it have Intel iRise graphic card as well. So this is the laptop, 15-inch. That's we are seeing. We have to install the OS in this laptop because it don't have the original OS. So we are trying to open this. First of all, we have to connect the charger, and then we have to try to open this. So the laptop is going to start now. We have to open this and start our Windows setups. So we can run the boot button from F9 in HP laptops, and that's we can connect the USB. So this is now going to start with HP logo. This is the boot option. We have to select the Windows from this. We are trying to run the Windows 11 in this laptop. This is the setup now going to run. So this is the new design of HP laptop. We have to connect the charger and the USB.